Hi, I am Lakshmi and this is Career Educators. In the video, exercise 7.1 la irukra question number 4 solve panna porom. Question la enna kuduthirukanga if the volume of a cube of side length x is v equal to x cube. Enna kandupidikka solranga find the rate of change of the volume with respect to x when x equal to 5 units. Ipo indha problem eppadi solve pandradhunu paakalam. First step la question la enna kuduthirukanga eduthukalam. Given v equal to x cube. Next enna kandupidikka porona rate of change of volume with respect to x, that is dv by dx equal to x cube differentiate panna 3x square. Next enna panna porona dv by dx la x equal to 5 substitute panna porom. When x equal to 5, dv by dx equal to 3 into 5 square equal to 3 into 25 equal to 75 units. Therefore, rate of change of volume with respect to x, that is dv by dx when x equal to 5 units is 75 units. That's all, we have completed this problem. In the exercise la edha doubts irundha comment section la kekala. Adu illama description box la WhatsApp link kuduthirukkom. Doubts irundha kelunga, we will support you. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.